We got those windows installed yesterday. JD did all the work. I stood around and helped him a little bit. Took them back out this morning because they didn't fit exactly right. Put them back in. Now the siding got to be put up around them, and they'll be right. There was a set of French doors here, and they never were right. So these are argon-filled double-pane windows. Ooh, I just saw an ugly man in there. I hear a lot of noise up there too. Oh, I hate it when they start that. Be peace and quiet down here. People can't stand them. Them people up there can't stand the peace and quiet. But the windows are installed, taken out and then put back in, reinstalled, and they look good. Of course, the water out there on the bayou, I don't know if y'all see it or not, little dimples all over the water. You know what that is, coming down out of the sky, hitting the water out there. I wish they'd turn that noise off up yonder. Well, just wanted to give y'all an update on this. I appreciate it if y'all like it. Appreciate it more if you sub to my channel. Bye, everybody.